Hello everyone, this is Andrew McNair with SWAN-Capital for our February 2015 Educational Economic Update. In this month's video, we're going to be talking about some of the major economic headlines to give you some insight into what they might mean for you as an investor. Now, as always, please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. So financial markets continue to be very volatile in February, as overseas events overshadowed the U.S. economy. While domestic indicators showed that economic growth is on track here, investors worried about what might be brewing overseas. Europe was a major focus as Greece negotiated with the European Union's creditors for a new round of bailout money. While Greece's new leaders promised voters an end to painful austerity measures, the new agreement really didn't dissolve anything. Instead, it kicked the can down the road until the next round of credit talks. However, markets reacted positively to the deal since it means that Greece will still stay solvent and remain in the European Union. Here on the domestic front, we got our second look at fourth quarter economic growth and discovered that the economy grew at a slower pace than initially estimated. However, the good news is that consumer spending, one of the largest contributors to the economy, grew at the fastest pace in 4 years. Hopefully, an improving job market and low gasoline costs will continue to support consumer spending this year in 2015. Now, fourth quarter earnings season is winding down, and the overall picture is mixed. While earnings for the S&P 500 companies were up 6.5% over fourth quarter 2013, revenues were only up 1.6%. These numbers show that U.S. businesses are still struggling with weak demand. Now, we finally got some more guidance from the Federal Reserve about interest rates. There's a lot of uncertainty about what's going to happen with interest rates. So Fed Chairman Janet Yellen spoke before the House and the Senate and indicated that central banks may raise interest rates as early as July. Though the rate raise may affect the stock market, banks may respond by raising consumer rates to compete for your business. Rate increases may also make mortgages and loans more expensive. So keep this in mind when you're factoring in any major purchases or planning for any. Now, in the weeks ahead, we expect to see, unfortunately, some additional volatility as investors factor in interest rates, oil prices, and economic issues abroad. However, keep in mind that volatility often presents opportunities. We continuously monitor markets on our clients' behalf and always have our eyes out for new investment opportunities. Now that's it for February's Educational Economic Update. And as always, if you have any questions about what you've heard in this video, don't hesitate to give our office a call at 850-380-9558. Now we do have a really great upcoming event. If you're a client of SWAN-Capital and a part of the SWAN family, we have a cooking class just for you at So Gourmet on April 2nd at 6 o'clock. You don't want to miss this event downtown. RSVP, and you can call our office to do that at 850-380-9558. Well, once again, this is Andrew McNair with SWAN-Capital signing off for the month of February 2015. See you next month.